Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Happy spring to all of you. Today I am going to deep clean my staircase area, my hallway upstairs, and later on we're gonna do some decoration. In this video, I am collaborating with my friend Dede at Dede Mom Boss here on YouTube. She is part of the Glam Squad family, you guys. Her home is gorgeous. Let me tell you, she's in Houston, so you know she has a beautiful home. Today she is doing a spring entryway decor in her channel. Please go check it out and give her some love. Please let her know that I sent you and make sure you hit the subscribe button for her. She has tons of home decor videos. You may like it over there. Link for her channel will be on top in the description box. I'm gonna start with the wall by the stairs going upstairs. As you can imagine, this area has a lot of traffic. I am constantly cleaning this wall. All I'm gonna use is a magic eraser and some water, and that should be able to take most of the dirt off the wall. So my dear friends, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. If you are into these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. And a big thank you to all of you, my Glam Squad, for stopping by today. I love you all. I have tons of depth marks in this wall from using different wall art, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to clean them out. Yes, you guys, they were a bunch. Finally, I am done cleaning the walls. Whew, my goodness, but it is so rewarding. I am going to clean the doors, and to do that, I'm using some water, soap, and a rag. I am done cleaning the doors. Now I am cleaning the white part of the stairs. I'm cleaning between the white stick on the stairs. I forgot how you call them. I'm cleaning in between them as well. As you know, normally it's a little bit difficult to get vacuum to go there, so I'm taking this opportunity to clean that in between them and clean them as well. I went back on the wall with just a red rag and do large stroke, because as much as the dry eraser is good to erase stain, but when it comes to like giving it a really nice paint like look, it doesn't do that. So usually it's a rag that does that for me. Normally at this time of the year I would remove the cover of the vent, but because it's raining outside and it's still a little bit cold, both my husband and I are under the weather a little bit, so I'm not gonna go outside to get wet. So I'm just gonna wipe this down a little bit, and then later on, once the weather gets better, I will take it off and give it a good power wash.
Cause you haven't got the news, but you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. But you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no.
To mop the floor, I'm gonna be using my Osida map from Amazon, my favorite hardwood cleaner, Murphy Old Soap, and a little bit of Gun from Mr. Clean.
My girls, yeah, sipping that bub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend.
Whew, we are done cleaning. Hallelujah. Oh, thank God. I'm putting back the walls, and then we're gonna start decorating. You can find this one either from Amazon or Overstock. I replaced the wall clock by this beautiful wall art from Burlington because the decorative pieces around the clock had trouble staying on the wall without nails, and I did not want to put any more nails on the wall. This one is great too. It goes with my spring decor. I'm adding a vase from Tuesday Morning and some beautiful flowers from Hobby Lobby. The console table is from Amazon and the rug on the floor is from Century 21. Then I'm adding a tray from Burlington, and inside the tray I'm adding 3 balls also from Burlington. On the other side, I'm going to have my monkey. At the bottom of the table, I'm gonna add a tray from Tuesday Morning. On the tray, I'm going to have 3 battery operated candles.
Boy, I can tell, so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me, so give it up.
Inside this tall vase from Z Gallery, I'm gonna add some greenery from Hobby Lobby.
I ain't got no love to spare for you, I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again.
On the bench, I'm adding this beautiful pillow from Z Gallery. I recently purchased this nesting table from Home Goods. I'm gonna be using it as well. It is very small, cute, and compact. I'm gonna add a small glam vase from Home Goods and these dry leaves from Amazon. I really like them. Putting decorative pieces in this area can be a little bit tricky because the kids are running up and down here. I do not want to put anything there that can break easily. So these dry leaves and the crystal vase is great for that, and I'm also adding a chain. Nothing that can fall and break. But I am thinking of spray paint the chain in white just to bring a little bit of color on the table. Last but not least, I'm gonna add a lamp to give me some extra lighting in the hallway, and that's it. Now let's take a look at what everything looks like together.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
guys, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video. As for me, I'm glad I did the deep cleaning in the stairways and the hallway today. And I really like this decor. I think it is really chic. If you like it as well, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Before you leave, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload. And don't forget to check out Dede's channel at Dede Mom Boss. She is doing a fantastic job. Let her know that I sent you. Link for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. I love you always. Bye-bye.